Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhones. If Face ID is not working on your iPhone, there could be various reasons for the issue. So guys, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. First of all, you have to clean your iPhone. Make sure your true depth camera system is clean and free from dirt, dust or any particle. Use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe the camera and sensor. After this, then you have to remove any screen protector or cases. Sometimes screen protector can or cases can interfere with Face ID. Try removing them and see if Face ID works without them. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve minor issues. To start your iPhone, simply have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update can include bug fixes and improvement for Face ID. So you have to go to your settings, go to General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating to the latest version of iOS and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your Face ID. You can try resetting your Face ID and setting it up again. To do this, simply have to go to your General, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode and scroll down and tap on reset Face ID and reset the Face ID. Then to set up, follow the on-screen instruction to set up Face ID once more. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for hardware damage. If none of the steps work, there may be an issue with the hardware, such as a malfunctioning sensor or camera. In this case, you should contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.